Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a Toshiba Satellite L845 model here, and this one has complete model is L845-Sp4393wm. And in this video I'm going to show you guys how to replace the keyboard for this model. This applies for any Toshiba Satellite L845 or 835 or anything near those lines. And if you want to replace the keyboard, it's really easy. The only tool that you're going to be needing is an opening tool or simply a guitar pick. The guitar picks are really soft edges and really tough to opening electronics. And before we get started, you'll need to know that you have to power off the laptop completely. You'll need to remove the battery. First thing first, on the bottom it says number 1, number 2. Put it on an unlock position. The other one, hold it down towards the left. If you let go, it will just slide. Remove the battery, put it to one side. Go ahead and flip it back over and open up the laptop. Now we're going to grab the opening tool and we're going to stick it between the bottom of the keyboard right there, all the way down. And we're just going to flip it, just twist it towards the in front, just like that. And every 4 centimeters there's a tiny clip, and you just want to stick it and do this motion. And then from the middle, you want to lift it up from the middle and then make that kind of curvature so it's easier to loosen up the sides. And once you loosen it up, bring it towards yourself a little bit and then flip it over, and you will see this big flex cable right here, or ribbon cable. And the next thing is to put your fingernail right underneath this one and flip it 90 degrees facing upward, and then it simply slide out the flex cable. And this is your keyboard. The model for this one is 9Z.9Z.N7SSQ.51E. That's the model for this one. Let's say that you have the new keyboard in. Simply just first set it down like that. Make sure it's in correct position, it's not upside down. Then bring it over, flip it upside down, grab the flex cable, open the lock. If it's locked, just lift it open, slide it right under the jack all the way in. Make sure when it's not going anymore, hold it there with one finger and just close up the lock. And you see there's a tiny clip here. This clip goes and holds it from there. So now what we want to do, we want to put the top portion of the keys in, down 45 degrees, and hold it with your thumb in the middle. Give tiny curvature to it and make sure you click the sides in and click these sides in, push them down and then let go and then push down the bottom. You hear those tiny clicks, and that should be all. And that's how you upgrade your keyboard for your Toshiba Satellite. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please click that like button and think about subscribing, and I'll really appreciate it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.